Today we're at the Arizona Biltmore Golf Club here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we're doing the Course Renovation Tour with the GCSAA Conference and Trade Show. So the attendees today are learning about everything that goes into a golf course renovation.
It's great. It doesn't happen every day. It's a great way to learn from them as much as they can learn from us, and hopefully the information they get here they can take back to their courses and help them make the best decision for their property. It's nice to be able to give back and help out others like people have helped me in the past.
So we're demonstrating our Capillary wash box technology with part of our bunker system that allows you to wash the sand you have in place in the bunker instead of having to replace it as it gets contaminated over the lifetime of the bunker.
Unbeknownst to me, I didn't know that I was going to have the opportunity to learn about TIF and pump stations and so forth. So yeah, it was a good class for me to take. We have an upcoming project that we've been talking about, been hearing a little bit about the capillary flow and wanted to find out some more info on that.
Oh, the value coming off of these outsides is incredible because you run into people who are using the product, and so you're learning from them on the disciplines that you can use on your golf courses. And it's always nice to hear firsthand that somebody's been using it and what other products that you can incorporate as well.
The facility tour allows everybody to come out, it gets them out, we're doing different things, and it allows us to show our product in a real world situation.
With an upcoming project, I wanted to see what was the latest and greatest. There was another comparable product that, I was entertaining, and up until this, I'm seriously going to entertain the capillary flow. I'm going to go back to my course and kind of have some updated information to be able to hopefully communicate with our board and architect and make some good decisions, I hope.
We knew we had to line the bunkers. Capillary, we felt like, was the best liner for us as far as longevity and wear and to be able to provide the best bunker maintenance and conditions for the golfers. It was something that was new to me. I mean, normally you're removing contamination with a shovel and it's very labor intensive, but to be able to just pull out a hose and almost wash the sand like you're washing down a sidewalk, it's pretty neat. And you can maintain and keep that consistency even after storms.
We're the only ones that have this technology, and it's the strength of the capillary concrete that allows us to do that. The beauty of the product is it is strong enough. We can take a hose with irrigation line pressure. You can hold it 2 feet off the capillary, it will do no damage. The water's just going to go straight through. So what that allows us to do is when we wash the sand in the bunker, the silt particles, the fines, any organic material, or any clay that gets in, it's all going to float to the surface because it's lighter than the sand. And it's going to run down in the surface flow to the wash box in the low point of the bunker, out through the drainage of the bunker, and it's gone.
A lot of our sponsors here, this gives them a great way to actually interact with their clientele and to actually build their client pools. So anyone that comes out here automatically finds a rep for their region. It gets them a great way to actually talk to their vendor, not on a phone or anything like that, but in person. And that's a huge deal to a lot of our attendees.